Hey y'all, hey, it's Brittany Britannia718 and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see weekly videos from me. Also, please be sure to hit that bell button because I just want to make sure y'all get the notifications when I upload a video. Okay. Today I actually want to discuss some bad habits that I've realized today that I have when it comes to my locks. The first bad habit that I have is that I don't always cover my hair at night. I know I need to. I just don't. And I really don't have an excuse, especially like when my head tie is like right there next to my bed. I don't know, but I need to do better. And I promise myself I'm gonna do better. My next bad habit is actually wearing clothing that, you know, like when the material starts to pull a little bit and I know damn well it's gonna get stuck in my hair, and what do? I still wear it anyway. So then now I'm stuck with like colorful ass lint in my hair, knowing good and well I should probably just either put my hair up while I have on that shirt or just toss the shirt in the whole trash, just like bye. My third bad habit, and I don't know if it's necessarily a bad habit or just so much as a lazy one, but I don't wash my hair that often. I know that sounds really disgusting, but like I know people that wash their hair every week. Sometimes I try to be that diligent, but it doesn't happen. It really doesn't. I don't like washing my own hair. It takes forever. So maybe if somebody else was washing my hair, I'd wash it more often, but as for me, I probably have gone like 2 weeks, 2.5, 3 weeks without washing my hair. Insert judgment, that's fine, I don't care. I don't care. My next bad habit, so towards the end of my hair, you know, that's the oldest part of your hair, and I have some locks that are either thinning in some small and it's really short parts of my hair, or it's like, I don't know what it is, maybe I guess you could say like a little thinning, and I just snap it off. Yeah, I just snap it off. Like I'm gonna insert a picture so you guys can see like where I'm talking about. Like I need to do better. I know. But it's like either it's like, especially if I just notice it and it's just like hanging there like this right here, like that. Just why not pop that off? I don't know. I know it's bad, but I do it. And my last bad habit, I don't moisturize my hair as much as I should be doing. I know. Like, I don't even have the words to say for myself, you know? It's just laziness. It's really what it is. But I need to do better because there are times when I'm running my fingers through my hair because, you know, lymph. But I hear it, like, you know, like I shouldn't be hearing my hair so much. Hearing my hair. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I feel like maybe it shouldn't be so rough. So I definitely need to work on moisturizing a little more frequently. I guess maybe if I washed my hair more often, that wouldn't be so bad, right? So guys, those are a few of my bad habits. Please, in the comments below, let me know your bad habits. So this way, you know, we can encourage each other and lift each other up and do better and get rid of these bad habits, okay? Yes. Anywho, be sure to thumbs up the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed, share the video, tell your mama and them I said to subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Later.